It's misty out here, very windy, in the 40s, and you know, not particularly nice, but I get greeted by my kitties, so all is good. Hi, Stripe. I see Morris is still over here by the tarp, and since it's raining a little bit, let's feed you guys over here. Hi, Morris. Meh. You go for it. I'll be.
Sure you don't want to go put this in the mailbox for me?
I'll be right here where there's no wind and no rain.
I'm getting wet.
You have good time.
I'll be right back.
Okay, you hurry. Neither Jules nor Ruby are plugged in, but that's on purpose because we thought we might have power surges and brownouts and outages, and you know, we just unplugged them yesterday. Oh no, it started raining harder while Don's still out at the mailbox. I can tell from the bird bath over here, aka cat water bowl. Sorry that I didn't walk with you this morning, Tux, but it's just not fit out there for people. You go back on your heating pad. That was nice of you to get it to rain harder.
Yeah, really. Thanks a lot. I'm all wet.
You are.
Shop,
there's Don working.
Days, it was,
Tux, if it's nice enough when I come home, we'll go for a walk. Well, even if it's not real nice, but it's not horrible, we'll go for a walk. I promise, bud. Oh, buddy, please don't cause problems while I'm gone. Your food's in the catio. It's not over there on the bricks. Oh, he's drinking some water, I think. I'm headed to meet Michelle. That always puts me in a good mood. Well, we didn't have any power outages that I knew of. Oh, he's trimming. He's trimming. That arm had a saw blade on the end of it. Jules and Ruby both put on 2021.4.12 within the last 24 hours. This is the first time I've been in Ruby since she put it on. I knew this was not the FSD beta button, which I think is all we all really care about right now. And so there's no additional details. It just says minor cold weather improvements and bug fixes. I don't have any more details about it right now, and that's all it says. It doesn't tell us what those cold weather things are. Not that that would really apply to Ruby. Ruby doesn't have the winter package, and no heated steering wheel. Only front heated seats, and yeah. Oh, they put up pretty summer daylily flags. Good morning! We talked about our weather being bad yesterday. Really, it's more today. No, I didn't find anything. No Legos.
Nothing.
Maybe next door. I hope so.
Oh,
I could use a Lego fix. Yeah, we saw them putting this out last week and it's still here. It's $40, but I mean, look, you don't got to put it together yourself. And that seems reasonable to me. Totally reasonable. The little dollhouse over here too. Well, I guess actually it's not so little, but that's pretty cool too. Bring Easter pictures on a rocking horse. On the horsey. Never let anyone dull your sparkle, and it does do like the pillows. I get to pick on you today even though you have a migraine.
Yes.
It says, I serve 3 meals, frozen, microwave, and takeout. It says home, obviously, and it's a creative use of taking pictures of stuff that looks like letters and then making words out of it. Grass, anyone? I'm gonna get this guy for my fairy garden. I think he's perfect to scale. I'm tempted, but I'm gonna leave it. This guy is really cute, and I already bought this. So Michelle put that storage bin in the cart, and I pulled a I need it instead of you card. Because it matches and it'll stack with all the ones I already have books in up in the attic. So we're seeing a lot of Dr. Seuss merchandise in the store today. This is a tie. There's a cat in the hat. Blanket over here. Books. I think my robotics sponsor teacher who teaches math at Johnny's school, I think these should be for her. They've not been worn. I know who needs that. That would be you. Your Halloween theme, it'll fit right in with all your other critters. Connects and Mega Blocks, but no Legos. That's cute. I'd agree with you, but then we'd both be wrong. I don't need Google. My wife knows everything. I gave Michelle sundress today. Now there's 2 forms of those 3 guys that go together, and I'm working on the second form now. I thought Titanic, and then Michelle said Polar Express because this guy looks like Tom Hanks, and it's just called Keepers of the Light, and it's not from a movie. Wow, look at that. Schwab Lorenz Savoy Stereo 10 vintage radio 50s 60s tested, did not work, needs replacement fuse. Found working condition online. Wow, the case on it is really nice. Bye girl, till next week. Here at South Park, listening to the wind and coordinating a Manette trick raid for Pogo. Wow, I came up the hill and I couldn't see that until I was like right here. There was actually one little branch at the top of the hill and I made sure to hit it with my tire. It was a small one like this one here on the side. It's on top of my azalea, so I guess I'm gonna have to go ask Don if he'll come move it. Oops. We knew that piece was dead. Yeah, it's windy today. Yeah, we were pretty lucky with where it fell. Didn't fall on the shed, didn't fall on the carport, didn't really hurt any of my plants, didn't fall on a car that was parked outside, so yeah, pretty lucky. I found Don a hat at Guardian Angel today. It's a real Stetson branded hat. It was $3.
It's brand new.
Yeah, it's brand new. And you know, the straw hats are great, but in the car, they get messed up, so. And I was trying to help poor Don hide his boo-boo. But he keeps on putting his head over. He might have hit it in the laundry room yesterday morning doing the laundry. That very dangerous job, you know.
It wasn't my fault. Look, she got me up at 7:30.
For the doctor's appointment.
And it's like, I can't get up that early in the morning. I can't function.
That's funny.
And so I hadn't had any coffee yet or anything. And I went over there to get something out of the dryer for her. Not me, for her. Not myself senseless.
Well, just to clue you in, the wall hadn't moved in the nearly 30 years you've been in the house.
Yeah. It's the same place it's always been. The wall hadn't moved.
Poor Donnie. So anyway, he's got a new hat, which fits and he likes. And he's got a reason to put on his warm, brand new coveralls.
Right. I figured this might be my last chance to wear them.
Yeah, it's 46 and windy out there still.
Yes.
We got to go deal with that tree.
Yeah.
Notice I said we.
We, yeah.
Yeah. I'll be the important job of documenting you dealing with it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Testing to see if I can push to open Ruby's charge port door. And I can. It'll close by itself. Testing to see if I can push to open Jules's charge port door. That would be a no. I have my purse beside me. Let's see if the trunk lid will open. Yes, so the car is unlocked. And let's just try this one more time. I was told that it no longer works on the 3 and the Y, and I'm going to say that I agree that it's not working. Well, it had better still work on the X because the charge port door still on occasion doesn't open with the wand. Not a hard fail like it was there for a while, but still every once in a while I would really be miffed if I had to go open up the driver's door, reach in to pop the charge port door on the X the few times it fails. The fact that it fails is no big deal because I can just push on it. So, I don't know. You're not planning on needing that today, are you?
I don't know. You needed something yesterday morning just to get the laundry out of the dryer.
So they have a good deal on Subscribe and Save on a regular basis for first aid kits with Band-Aid and all that good stuff in it. And we had one come, and we have one in each car, or we're going to have one in each car. But we decided, you know, having one in the garage is a good idea. Donnie.
Yeah, I know it is.
Wow, so this one's actually meant to hang on the wall too. Way cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, another 3 inches and I think my azalea would have been damaged, but as it is, I think we're good. Yeah, I thought you were gonna have to cut it into a couple of smaller pieces. Your tools, you get to use your tools. I'm thinking the bench looks really comfortable over here. You know, if you were down in Florida visiting JB, I would get out the saw and move it myself. But since you're here,
Yeah,
why not let you handle it? Are you helping? You're such a good boy. Oh, boy. I only had to cut it once. Once was enough. Don is pulling some really thick grapevine out of the trees over there. Way up high stuff. Looks good. Some of those vines were 2 inches in diameter, so that's why Don really had to use the GMC to pull them out. And you know, maybe this fall we'll get in here and do a little bit of additional cleanup work, although what's up on the hill I don't really want to see, so I want to be careful with what we clean. But yeah, we probably do need to do a little bit more cleanup work in there. But that tree is the one right in front of us where the half of it came down today. If Don wants to take out the rest of that tree at some point, I won't complain, although it is alive and the other half does look reasonably sturdy. Looks good. Don's got a new pair of boots.
Yeah, she's working me so hard.
I am not.
I tell you. Them other boots, they're great for for stomping stuff. They're great stompers. They're almost like having 5-pound sledgehammers on each foot. But when you're walking around, they get old in a hurry. And,
so are these lighter weight?
Yeah, these are way light. Well, the other ones are steel toe and all that, and they've got that Virem sole, which is like steel itself. I mean, it's really stuff. But these are half the weight, I would say.
Don says they have zippers down the side. And that's all the style now to make it easier to get them on and off, I guess.
Yeah, let you get them on and off without lacing and unlacing.
Huh. And made in America.
Yeah, I bought these specifically for that reason.
Maelstrom.
Maelstrom, yeah.
Don wanted to know how to pronounce that. His Alabama upbringing wasn't helpful.
I got the E and the L reversed.
Yep.
That's right.
At least that's how I would say it.
Yeah. Oh, they got a nice little pull in the back.
That's handy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The other ones don't have that.
That's handy too.
You'll have to see. get them all. Oh, I have a pretty high instep. I don't know.